I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. That's what you got to chase.
What's everybody, I'm back. Came with another video to talk about why I put 60 to 70% of my portfolio in ETFs. And I thought that it was important as for beginners that we start there. So first off, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. If you're looking for financial advice, make sure you go to professional license for financial advisor. I'm just letting you know what I do, and you can either follow that or not, but I just want to put people up on game. So hope you like it, and let's see what I got. ETFs are built for growth, stability, and peace of mind. Now, you might be saying, why don't we just put on the hot stock? We just ride the hot stock. Well, that's gambling, and I'm into investing. So I've learned that, yeah, you could win. You could hit it. You could also lose. And I'm into more sustainable growth. So as a beginner, I would go down that road. You're not betting on one winner or one stock when you have ETF. It's like instant diversification. There could be thousands or hundreds of other stocks that are there. So when one is going bad, the others will keep you moving, you know? And so I think that's really important to have those type of stocks in your portfolio. The next 10 to 20% of my portfolio is my safe growth zone. So there I find those stocks that have real good, consistent growth for years and years and years. And those stocks are like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, things of that nature. They have strong balance sheets. So you gotta learn how to look at a balance sheet. And I'll give you an example. Like if someone says they make like $200,000 a year, but they owe $300,000 a year, that balance is a negative. But if they make 300 and they only owe 200, then they have a strong balance sheet. So I'm looking for companies with strong balance sheets. I'm also looking at those with consistent cash flow. If you don't know what that is, we'll have to come up with some of these definition terms in another video that talks about cash flow and what that means. But cash flow is huge. There are also companies that have great leadership and they've been winning for decades. So I get behind those. Those become places that I want to invest in, not gamble with, but invest in. Now the last 10%, that's where we get busy. And I would wait until you become a much better trader or understand what the trading, you know, how to trade. And we'll get to that down the road, but we're not ready for that yet. But I would take that 10%. That's the fun money. That's where we start doing option trading. We're betting on a stock going up, a stock going down, all these different things. So it's fun to do that, but it also can be a little nerve-wracking, especially when you're new to it. But as long as you understand the risk management, you understand how to read the charts, you understand how to look at estimated moving averages and a lot of other indicators, then you have a good chance of being able to determine when a stock is going to make a move. And we're not really caring if the stock goes up or down. We're just going to go with the move, with the trend, and try to make money with that trend. But I don't spend, you see, 90% of my portfolio is not in that chasing. I got 10% that's going to be put into helping us grow so I can have more money so I can put it into the investment side. So I can put it more into that 10 to 20% part, my safe zone, or put it into those ETFs to keep building out that 60 or 70%. All right, to sum it up, 60, 70% ETFs for steady growth and peace of mind, 10 to 20% strong long-term companies you trust, 10% trading, only once you learn how to move smart. Like, you can't go out there and just start shooting when you don't really know how to have the right form and the right balance, right? So that's the balance, that's the discipline, and that's what we got us investing, all right? So everybody smile, get ready, let's get back into this market, let's learn how to make some money. The market had went down on me, but now the market's going back up, and that's what happens. We just find how to stay steady. Even when it goes down, we learn how to make money on the way down, we learn how to make money on the way up. Remember my slogan, we got us, because literally, we will take care of each other. All right? All right, till the next video. See you soon.